Egypt enacted the Personal Data Protection Law No. 151 of 2020, marking a significant step towards regulating data privacy and protection within the country. This law aligns with global data protection standards, setting forth rules for the processing of personal and sensitive data. Key definitions. Personal data: any data related to an identifiable person, including names, identification numbers, and online identifiers. Sensitive personal data: data revealing health, genetic, biometric, financial data, religious beliefs, political views, or criminal records. Data related to children is considered sensitive. National Data Protection Authority. The Personal Data Protection Center, established under the Ministry of Communications and Information Technology, oversees the enforcement of the law, including policy setting, issuing licenses, and handling complaints. Data processing and transfer. The law outlines specific conditions under which personal data can be collected, processed, and transferred, including requirements for data subject consent and legal obligations for data protection during cross-border transfers. Security and breach notification. Data controllers must implement appropriate security measures to protect personal data. In case of a data breach, both the center and the data subject must be notified within a specified time frame. Rights of data subjects. Data subjects are granted various rights, including access to their data, correction of inaccuracies, and the right to object to data processing under certain circumstances. Electronic marketing. Direct electronic marketing is permitted under specific conditions, such as obtaining consent from the data subject. The law sets forth guidelines for the content and conduct of electronic marketing communications. Online privacy. While the law doesn't specify rules for cookies and location data, it mandates service providers to respect the privacy of stored data and imposes penalties for unauthorized disclosure. Enforcement and penalties. The law provides mechanisms for the filing of complaints and establishes judicial control powers for its enforcement. Non-compliance can result in substantial fines and imprisonment. Conclusion. Egypt's Personal Data Protection Law No. 151 of 2020 represents a comprehensive legal framework to safeguard personal and sensitive data. It introduces significant obligations for data controllers and processors, enhancing the protection of data subjects' rights and aligning Egypt with international data protection norms.